In February of 1978, the blizzard struck in southern New England. These scenes of Winthrop, Massachusetts, a suburb of Boston, were taken just after the blizzard had passed. Winthrop rests in close proximity to Boston near Logan Airport. The depth of the snowfall in the aftermath of the February blizzard was heightened by the effects of a prior snowstorm. Most people thought that 21 inches delivered in January would be the top snowfall of that year. The February blizzard struck with 80-mile-an-hour winds, causing everyone to hunker down inside until the storm tapered down. As the winds subsided, shovelers came out even before the snow actually stopped. For days afterwards, the town was covered with snowbanks. A storm surge rose from the sea and stayed high throughout the storm, causing extensive damage along the beach.